What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kamari coming back to you with another fire video. And today, we doing a coronavirus baddie video. I literally made it with my bandana and 2 hair ties. It's your girl. No, I don't have coronavirus, so disclaimer, don't come for me. I don't have coronavirus anyways, but we are all in quarantine. So like I said in the title and in that intro, we are going to be doing a Rona Baddie DIY. That's what I said. I made it up, so whatever. I got a lot of time on my hands and I've been making stuff up. So I'm going to be doing a sleek ponytail. I'm also going to be doing a DIY transformation, which is like an old thrift t-shirt that I had. I've already pre-cut the thrifted shirt. I should have did it before so I could have an after. At least you're going to see one picture that I was able to find in this shirt before anything. So it is an oversized t-shirt that I've already cut, and it's ready to pin and it's ready to sew. So at least you get to see that part, right? You know what I'm saying? I didn't leave you out. I didn't leave you hanging. But yeah, we are going to get into that. And if you want to keep on watching to see me slay this ponytail and this set, honey, keep on watching. I hopped right into it, you guys. I've already started pinning the shorts. I did pre-cut everything as I told you guys before, so I do apologize. However, these are the shorts that I used to make the pattern. So now that you see them, just get you some good biker shorts. I also cropped the top of the oversized t-shirt, so that is the top portion that I'll be pinning later on. And then always, always, always keep your scraps. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me make it. I definitely like the way it came out. I think the shorts look literally identical, like a crayon box, so that's really fun, like real nostalgic. So if you want to continue watching, I am going to finish off this look with my sleek ponytail, just to, you know, make it real dramatic like or whatever. If you did enjoy this set, or if you want to see me continue to make these DIY sets, please smash the like button. Hit me in the comment below for more things that you want to watch, and subscribe to your girl. Thank you. Let's get into this ponytail. So first you're going to need to slick down your hair. My hair was already pressed, so it was easy to just slick it up into a ponytail. But if you do have natural hair and you need to go ahead and have some prep time, then pause the video, go ahead and do that, and then we can get into the ponytail. I definitely know the struggle because I'm natural too. So if you are gelling your ponytail down, then I would probably opt for a curly or wavy texture, just because it's gonna match better. When I gel down my hair especially, it gets wavy, and if I have a sleek straight ponytail, it just wouldn't make sense. If you're gonna opt to do that, then I would do a curly texture. If you're doing a sleek straight, then you definitely want to blow out your hair, press it, and then go ahead and slick it down. But first things first, we are going to braid our ponytail down. So I'm actually not the best braider, like at all. I don't know if I have a black card because I can't braid. But I do know how to do a quick little 1-2 to the back, you know what I'm saying? And this is basically going to be the anchor for your ponytails. So I wanted to speed past this so I could ask y'all really fast, who else is binging Love is Blind? Because, oh my God, Jessica's pissing me off, Mark is being stupid, and G is just extra, and her dude just ain't with the shit. So please comment below if you agree or if you're watching it. Like the video if you want to throw Jessica's thirsty ass out the house, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay. So you want to braid it all the way down. I have layers in my hair, so I'm kind of struggling at the end. So what you're gonna need is rubber bands, ma'am. You need some type of hairspray. It does not have to be got to be, but you need hairspray. And for your baby hairs, whatever you use, edge control, whatever, you need to go ahead and get you some gel. Get you a baby hair toothbrush to, you know, just get it right and get it tight. Definitely going to need some bobby pins. Make sure you have all of those things before you even try to continue. If you have no bobby pins, you might be out of there. I wouldn't continue because your ponytail gonna fly off. See my little hang time, y'all? It's trying. You want to get your bundles. These bundles I got from the beauty supply. I literally just picked some black hair that was cheap because this is like a quick style, nothing long term, it doesn't matter. So I did get synthetic bundles, but if you do have good bundles, then obviously use those. You have more versatility, you can curl them, you can crimp it, like you can do a lot more. But I just wanted the sleek straight, so I got this. It is 30 inches, my love. And I got 2 of them. But I only actually used like 1.5, to be like quite frank. I'm pretty sure it's a little less than 2 bundles. Go ahead and get your hair. I like to go ahead and detangle them just before I start wrapping, so it's not a mess, because if you've ever done a ponytail, you know it's just like literally wrapping and wrapping. Especially with synthetic hair, you know what I'm saying? You just need to work it out, you know what I'm saying? Alright, you guys, so we started wrapping already. You basically want to start at the end of your ponytail, like at the start of the rubber band, with the tip of the track. And I like to secure that part with a rubber band, but I did use a bobby pin for this video just because the rubber band takes a little longer when you have longer bundles. But whatever method you want to use to secure the start of your ponytail, by all means use that. You can use hair glue, you can do whatever you want to do.
I'm literally sweating, y'all. It's hot, it's light. It's crazy. I respect y'all. Hair gurus that be in y'all like the whole fucking video. Makeup, y'all are the goats. Cause it's hot and I'm sweating.
And you want to secure the end of that track with a bobby pin as well. So then you want to go in, detangle the ponytail. It is definitely secure, and that's why I like the wrapping it around your ponytail method, because it just makes you a little more mobile. I feel like when you wrap your tracks around the base of your ponytail and just keep wrapping it, it literally feels like you gotta like do one of these. But this is going based off of my ponytail, so there's, you know, room. So we're gonna start this track where we finished the last one. Use that same bobby pin to secure it, and you're gonna proceed to wrap. Make sure your hair is remaining detangled the entire time, because it's a task. Once it gets tangled, you just don't want those problems. You definitely want to make sure you have enough to wrap around the base of your ponytail as well. So don't make the tracks wrap too close to each other in the same spot, and then you have no hair left to wrap around the base of your pony. Once you get to the base, because that's where I'm at right now, you're also going to take the last end of the hair and wrap it around so you don't see your track. So I'm gonna show y'all. And I do see a lot of people do the hairspray on that piece of hair. I don't need it to be crispy or shiny. I think, especially if you have synthetic hair, you don't need hairspray on the hair. You don't want it. It's too much. It's gonna be crispy. Shout out to B. Simone, because that voice really is fucking hilarious. I find myself doing it for real a lot. Maybe she's from the city. D-Town. Oh! I just literally oh shit. I just shoved this damn bobby pin in my head, in my skull. Like, what the fuck? That shit was not cool. Now, as you have all the hair wrapped, go ahead and detangle all of the wrapping. So, she's done. And then we're going to wrap the hair around. So you wrap this little piece all the way around. After I do this, I do go back, make sure I get all the little flyaways, not my sideburns, but just the flyaways in the back. You a softer side brush or a fine tooth comb. Spray it with some hairspray, whatever that may be, and just get all your flyaways. You know what I'm saying? Like, wow. Okay, there we go. Boom. Move your ponytail. You don't want to get hairspray on your hair unless you want it to be stiff. And then this is when I get my rat tail comb and I'll just kind of press whatever hair is trying to go into my ponytail up in there. And do the same thing on this side. I like to comb through it one more time, honey. Going to learn these. Y'all see the difference? My hair is literally like, I'm going back curly whether you like it or not. Alright, so now everything just kind of matches. We literally... Alright, you guys, that pretty much wraps up the look. We are done with our ponytail. We are done with our DIY transformation. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm trying to crank them out to you consistently every Tuesday and Friday. If you wanted to know, I do have a schedule now. So yeah, and like, comment, and subscribe, duh. Also, if you do want to talk about this coronavirus madness, I will make a whole video. We can talk about it because there's plenty to say. But yeah, so if you want to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cuss. Please hit the like button. Please send a comment below.